Who among the following is the first Indian? Okay, remember guys, first Indian to win an Asian gold in javelin throw men. I hope you guys know this answer even without the answer options, but because it's very recent, everyone needs to be aware of this. The correct answer is Neeraj Chopra. But see the way the answer options have been framed, okay? They will try and confuse you. It's an NCNC initials, alright? So there is an option of Naren Chopra, Neeraj Chopra, Neerav Chopra, and Namesh Chopra. The correct answer, of course, is Neeraj Chopra. Okay, our junior commissioned officer in the Indian Army, Neeraj Chopra is the first track and field athlete to win a gold medal for India at the Olympics. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following countries has the currency of rupees? Now, guys, a trick question, of course. Now, what you need to note here is that it's not Indian rupees, alright? So, rupees is just what they've asked for, and none of the answer options, of course, has India. Okay, so let's look at the answer options. Kenya, Nigeria, Mauritius, and Ethiopia. Alright, the correct answer is Mauritius. Very important to note, very tricky question actually, because I've seen a lot of people goof up with this. I'm going to star mark this as well because it's important. Mauritius currency is rupees. Student, do not get confused with the Indian rupee. Alright, so Indian rupee se confused nahi hona hai. It's asking only about rupees as the currency. Okay, let's move on. Who is the brand ambassador of Puma Motorsport India? Okay, Puma Motorsport India. Okay, we're not talking about the Puma brand, so do not get confused. Puma India is separate. Puma Motorsport India is separate. Right, there are four answer options given to you. Virat Kohli, who's been the brand ambassador of multiple brands, so you can get confused with him. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, another athlete. Yuvraj Singh and Sachin Tendulkar. The correct answer, I hope you guys have got, is Yuvraj Singh. All right. Puma signs Yuvraj Singh as brand ambassador of Puma Motorsport in India. All right, let's move on to the next one. With respect to the Skytrax World Airport Awards 2021, which Indian airport bagged the 50th spot? Right, so there are Skytrax World Airport Awards which are awarded to airports around the globe, and there is one Indian airport which has bagged the 50th spot. Now you need to choose which one is it from the answer options. So New Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Mumbai. What's the correct answer? I hope you guys have got it. It's New Delhi. Indira Gandhi International Airport was ranked 50th in the Skytrax World Airport Awards 2021. Right, let's move on to the next one. The Great Big Lion is authored by which of the following authors? So again, The Great Big Lion is the title of the book. We need to choose the author from this particular options. All right, so the first option is Casper Rostead, Mark Knight, Crisis Knight, and Ben Verwaayen. All right, so let's look at the answer. The correct answer is Crisis Knight. All right, so Crisis Knight is the author of the book The Great Big Lion. All right, let's move on to the next one. Which of the following organizations has their headquarters in Indonesia? All right, again, go through the answer options very carefully because the full form has not been provided, only the abbreviation has been provided. So you need to be very sure when you're answering this question. ASEAN, OPEC, APAC, APEC. All right, so the correct answer option in this case is ASEAN, which is Association of Southeast Asian Nations. All right, it's headquartered in Indonesia, Jakarta, Indonesia. All right, let's move on to the next one. The Planetarium Innovation Challenge is launched by which of the following organizations? What is the challenge? The Planetarium Innovation. Alright, so Planetarium Innovation Challenge is launched by which of the following organizations? We have four answer options. First one is Niti Aayog, second is ISRO, third is MyGov India, and the fourth option is NASA. Okay, let's look at the answer. The correct answer is MyGov India, which is My Government India. Okay, the Planetarium Innovation Challenge has been launched by MyGov India for tech entrepreneurs and Indian startups. This planetarium challenge was launched with the primary aim of bringing together local startups and tech firms that have potential to build indigenous planetarium system softwares. Right? Let's move on to the next one. Who is the current CEO 2021 of Capgemini Worldwide? Alright, Capgemini Worldwide का current CEO कौन है? We have four options: Ayman Izzat, Malvika Kapoor, John Seppi, and Michelle Berman. So there are four options given to us. The correct answer is Ayman Izzat. Right. So Mr. Ayman Izzat has been the Chief Executive Officer of Capgemini SE since May 2022. Sorry, 2020. He has also been a director of Capgemini SE. Right. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following brands has had the tagline of GoPro? GoPro is a brand as well, but we are referring to the tagline out here. So, which of the following brands has had the tagline of GoPro? Okay, has had. Okay, again another important part. It may not be the current tagline, but you need to know about the past taglines as well. Options are Eveready Batteries, Eureka Forbes, Easy Day, Etcher Motors. All right, the correct answer in this case is Etcher Motors. What is Eicher Motors? It's an Indian multinational automotive company that manufactures motorcycles and commercial vehicles headquartered in New Delhi. Okay. Another thing that you can remember is the headquarters. Where is Eicher Motors headquartered at? The correct answer is New Delhi. Let's move on to the next one. Guess the brand from the incorrect logo. So incorrect or incomplete logo that has been given to you. So this is the logo that has been given. Now you need to choose the one from the answer options. The Egg Company, Uninor, MTS, Excited. Correct answer is MTS. Okay, what is the full form of MTS? MTS is Mobile Telesystems India. Okay, it was a telecommunications company headquartered in Delhi, India. It was a joint venture and Indian subsidiary of the Russian mobile operator MTS. All right, let's move on to the next question. Who holds the record of being the first Indian women gymnast to qualify for the Olympics? Okay, she is the first Indian women gymnast who has qualified for the Olympics. We have four options. First one is Deepa Karmakar, Rucha Karmakar, Deepika Kumari, and Aruna Reddy. The correct answer, I hope you guys have got this one, is Deepa Kumari. Right? So, sorry, Deepa Karmakar. Deepa Karmakar is an Indian artistic gymnast. Karmakar first gained attention when she won a bronze medal at the 2014 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, becoming the first Indian female gymnast to do so in the history of the game. Alright, let's get to the next question. Which of the following countries does not have its currency as the euro? So, four answer options are given to you. One of these answer options will not have their currency as euro. The other three have currency as euro. Which one is it? The answer options are France, Belgium, Austria, and Croatia. Right? Correct answer is Croatia. The currency of Croatia is Croatian kuna, not the euro. France, Belgium, and Austria have their currency as euro. All right, let's move on to the next one. Which of the following celebrities has not been associated with boat brand? Now remember, we are asked to pick a celebrity who is not associated with boat. Right? They are not asking you the current ambassador. They're not asking you about the past ambassador. They are saying that one person out of this is not related to boat brand. You need to pick that person. First answer option: Sara Ali Khan, B. Karthik Aryan, C. Daljit Dosanjh, and the fourth answer option is Kiara Advani. The correct answer is Sara Ali Khan. Right? She's not associated with the brand. All the others have been the brand ambassadors at some point in time. So you need to pick the correct answer, which is Sara Ali Khan. Let's move on to the next question. Who was honored with the Lokmanya Tilak National Award in 2021? Lokmanya Tilak National Award in 2021. We have four answer options for us: Rajendra Sharma, Mukesh Ambani, Cyrus Poonawalla, and Muhammad Yunus. The correct answer in this case is Cyrus Poonawalla. Who is Cyrus Poonawalla? Cyrus Poonawalla is the MD of Serum Institute. All right. Dr. Cyrus Poonawalla received the prestigious Lokmanya Tilak National Award 2021. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Bimal Jalan has authored which of the following books? Now we have the name of the author given to us, and we have four book names given as answer options, and we need to choose the correct book name. All right. The correct answer options are Indian Forthcoming, the Indian Tale, the Indian Story, the India Story. Right? Let's move and look at the answer. The correct answer is the India Story. Right? Bimal Jalan is the author of the India Story book. Do not get confused. Again, there are three answer options, or rather four answer options, which talk about the word Indian, but the correct one has it has India and not Indian. Okay, so do not get confused. Let's move on to the next one. Worldwide Fund for Nature. Okay, Worldwide Fund for Nature is headquartered at which of the following? We have four answer options: Singapore, Switzerland, Malaysia, and Berlin. So, what is the correct answer option? The correct answer option in this case is Switzerland. Right? There are many organizations headquartered at Switzerland, so you guys need to have a list where you know what all is headquartered at Switzerland, one of which is Worldwide Fund for Nature. The Worldwide Fund for Nature is headquartered at Gland in Switzerland. Right? Let's move on to the next question. All right, let's look at the next question. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, okay, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting recently launched their account on which of the following social media platforms? So there are four social media platforms given to us, and they've recently launched their account on one of these. We need to pick which platform are they referring to. The options are WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, and Twitter. Let's look at the correct answer, which is Telegram. Okay, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting recently launched an account on Telegram. Why did they do that? They did that to counter fake news. Okay, so we need to remember this part as well. May be asked in twisted terms in one of these exams. All right. Now let's look at the last question for today. Which country has commenced the world's biggest trial of a blood test where they will detect more than 50 types of cancers? Right? So we have four answer options: USA, China, Russia, and the United Kingdom. The correct answer in this case is the United Kingdom. Right? So, United Kingdom's state-run National Health Service has commenced the world's biggest trial of a blood test where they will detect more than 50 types of cancers. All right.